Time is life. Every second you spend is gone forever. Many people waste hours, days, even years doing nothing important. Today, we will explore how to use your time wisely, make every moment count, and create a life you can be proud of. Time is the most valuable thing we have. Money can come and go, friends can leave and return, possessions can be lost and found, but time is forever gone once it passes. Every second you spend is a second you can never get back. Yet most people do not understand this. Most people waste hours, days, even years doing things that do not matter. They scroll through their phones, watch useless videos, gossip, complain, and postpone their dreams. They say, "I will start tomorrow," but tomorrow never comes. Life passes quietly, silently, like sand slipping through an hourglass. And one day, they wake up and ask, where did all the time go? There was a young man named Hamid. He was smart, full of energy, and had big dreams. He wanted to be a writer, a teacher, and a person who could inspire others. But Hamid had a serious problem. He wasted time. Every day he would wake up late. He would scroll on social media for hours. He played games, watched random videos, and spent time gossiping with friends. He always told himself, "I have time, I am young, I will start tomorrow." But every tomorrow disappeared into the past. Weeks passed, months passed, years passed. Hamid's dreams remained dreams because he never acted. One afternoon, Hamid went to the park. He sat on a bench next to an old man. The man was quiet, looking at the sky. Hamid, feeling bored, started a conversation. "How old are you, sir?" Hamid asked. "I am 75, the old man replied. "Wow, you must be wise," said Hamid. The old man smiled and said, "I have learned one thing in my life. Time is everything. Money comes and goes. Friends come and go. Life is short. I would give anything to be 23 again, just for 1 week. But I cannot. Time only moves forward." Hamid felt a strange fear in his heart. He realized he had wasted so many days thinking he had plenty of time. He sat there silently, thinking about all the hours he had wasted. That night, Hamid could not sleep. He thought about the old man's words. He realized that every wasted hour was a lost opportunity. He whispered to himself, "Enough. I will not waste another day. I will start now." The next morning he woke up early. He cleaned his room, planned his day, and wrote a list of important tasks. He started reading a book he had postponed for months. He learned something new. He worked on his writing. He did small steps, but he did them consistently. At first it was not easy. Old habits tried to pull Hamid back. Friends laughed at him. "Why are you working so hard? Relax and enjoy life," they said. But Hamid stayed focused. Every time he felt lazy, he remembered the old man. Time only moves forward, never back. He learned to say no to useless activities. He stopped wasting hours on social media. He stopped watching meaningless videos. He stopped complaining about life. Instead, he focused on learning, growing, and taking action. Hamid began achieving small successes. He completed his books. He learned new skills. He improved his English. He helped people in his community. Slowly, he became more confident. He realized that time spent wisely multiplied. 1 hour of focused work was more powerful than 10 hours of distraction. He also learned to use time for self-care. He exercised, ate well, and spent quality time with his family. Time, he discovered, was not only for work, but also for growth, health, and relationships. Every moment mattered. Hamid learned a secret. Focus is the key to using time wisely. He stopped doing many things at once. He stopped multitasking. He realized that giving his full attention to one task made him more productive. He also realized that waiting for the perfect moment was useless. The perfect moment never comes. Action matters more than planning. Even small progress is better than nothing. Every minute spent on meaningful action adds up. Years passed. Hamid became successful. He wrote books that inspired thousands. He became a respected teacher. He built businesses. People admired his discipline, focus, and achievements. But Hamid never forgot the lessons about time. He remembered the wasted hours of his youth. He used those memories to inspire others. Time is life itself. If you waste time, you waste life. Every second you spend doing nothing is a second that could have changed your life. Every hour spent on useless things is an hour you can never regain. Every day wasted is a day you will regret. Do not say, "I am young, I have plenty of time." Youth is not guaranteed. Life is not promised. Time is unpredictable. A single moment can change everything. One day you may wish you had used your time better. Listen carefully. If you want success, happiness, and fulfillment, you must respect your time. Protect it, value it, use it wisely. Stop wasting it on meaningless activities. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start today. Start now. Focus on what matters. Learn new skills. Improve yourself. Help others. Build your dreams. Take care of your body, mind, and soul. Spend time with family and friends. Strengthen your relationship with God. These are the things that make life meaningful. Imagine you are 80 years old. You sit quietly, looking back at your life. Will you smile because you used your time well, or will you cry because you wasted your life on meaningless activities? The choice is yours, and the choice starts today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Time waits for no one. It does not stop. It does not pause. Every second that passes is gone forever. You cannot save it, borrow it, or buy it back. You can only use it wisely. Look at the people you admire. Do you think they are lucky? No, they have the same 24 hours you have. The difference is how they use those hours. They focus, they act, they invest their time in learning, creating and growing. That is why they succeed. That is why they live extraordinary lives. You can do the same. You can be like them. But only if you respect time. Only if you stop wasting it. Only if you start now. Time is not just about work. It is also about living fully. Spend time with people you love. Laugh, travel, read, learn, teach, create, help, serve. Life is short, but it can be full of joy if you use time well. Many people live full lives but waste them on useless things. They never chase their dreams. They never explore their potential. They never realize what they can achieve. Do not be one of them. Wake up early. Start your day with purpose. Make a plan. Write down what is important. Avoid distractions. Limit social media, TV, and gossip. Focus on one task at a time. Do it well. Learn something new every day. Read books. Listen to lessons. Practice skills. Take care of your body and mind. Exercise. Eat healthy. Meditate. Spend time with family and friends. Build relationships. Reflect daily. Ask yourself, did I use my time well today? Help others. Use your time to make a positive impact. Remember, the best time to start is now. Life is a gift. Time is a gift. Every second is precious. Do not waste it. Do not wait. Do not procrastinate. Take action now. Use your time to learn, grow, create, and inspire. Use your time to love, help, and make a difference. Every moment counts. Every decision matters. Every day is an opportunity. Don't waste it. Don't lose it. Use it wisely. This story is for you. Do not waste your time, your dreams, your happiness, your future. all depend on how you use your time today. Time is life. Respect it. Protect it. Use it wisely. Start now. The moment you wait for is this moment. Make every second count. Time is the most valuable thing we have, yet it is also the easiest to waste. Every second that passes is gone forever, and no amount of money, power, or influence can bring it back. Many people spend their lives distracted by things that do not matter, worrying about the opinions of others, procrastinating, or chasing temporary pleasures, while the true opportunities quietly pass them by. Life is short, and our time here is limited. Every moment you spend without purpose is a moment lost to grow, learn, create, love, or make a difference. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. The only thing you truly have is now. How will you use it? Will you spend it wisely, investing in yourself and your dreams, or will you let it slip away, only to regret it later? Do not wait for the perfect moment to act. That moment may never come. Start now. Focus on what truly matters. Pursue your goals with passion. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, and let go of anything that drags you down. Time is a gift, but it is also a responsibility. Protect it, respect it, and never take a single minute for granted. Wasting time is like throwing away gold. You may never realize its value until it is too late. Thank you for watching and listening. Remember, your time is your life. Don't waste it.